So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here I am going to explain the new exam pattern of physical science and biological science, totally general science, new model paper I am going to explain here. So previously we wrote two separate papers, but this year our government decided to conduct the exam in a single paper with 100 marks, right? So and at the same time allotted 3 hours 15 minutes. Let us discuss how the questions and how many sections are there in the question paper, right? Totally the 100 marks paper is divided into two parts. Part A is physical science, part B is biological science. In part A, it is divided into four sections. Section 1 consists of objective questions. From question number 1 to 6, each question carry 1 mark, totally 6 marks for section 1. And in section 2, we have very short answer questions from question number 7 to 10. Each question carries 2 marks. There are 4 questions, 4 into 2, totally 8 marks will be allotted for the section 2. And in section 3 we have short answer questions from question number 11 to 14. Each question carry 4 marks, total of 16 marks. And in section 4 we have essays and diagrams. So here we have only 2 questions in the part A in the physical science paper, that is 15th question and 16th question as essay questions. We can expect some internal choice from 15 and 16 questions. And the totally each question carries 8 marks, 2 questions 16 marks. So totally this is 46 marks part A. So part A is allotted for the physical science. And in part B, biological science 54 marks. Section 1 we have objective questions from question number 1 to 6. Each question carry 1 mark, totally 6 marks will be allotted. And in section 2 we have very short answer questions from question number 7 to 10. Each question carry 2 marks, totally 4 questions, 4 into 2, 8 marks. And in section 3 we have short answer questions from question number 11 to 14. Each question carry 4 marks, 4 questions and 4 marks, 16 total. And in section 4 we have essays and diagrams. In part A we see that only 2 questions are asking from the part A, and there are 3 questions are going to ask in section B, part B. So here in part B we have 15, 16th and 17th 3 essay questions will be given. So in these 3 essay questions we can expect the internal choice, and I am damn surely expecting that 17th question will be allotted for diagrams. And totally each question carry 8 marks. There are 3 questions, 3 into 8, 24 marks. So total this part B is consist of 54 marks. So part A 46 marks, part B 54 marks. So totally 100 marks are allotted, and for this 100 marks paper the time duration is 3 hours 15 minutes. So this is the exam pattern. So thank you very much. If you are like this, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.